Hello, welcome to this overcast and kind of cool morning. Well, I want to share some footage with y'all from when I came out here initially on days 0 and 1. I pretty much just parked, threw up the drone to get some footage of the area before I did any work on it. It was the middle of the summer and it was pretty hot outside, but it is at least a good documentation of what the place looked like initially in the beginning. So I hope y'all enjoy it. Thank you very much for watching.